How Interflon supports Network Rail to maintain more than 32,000 kilometers of track. The rail sector is a dynamic industry when it comes to planning and delivering maintenance to its infrastructure. Maintenance is both challenging and limited due to the busy train timetables. Because of this growing commuter sector, there is added stresses on the rail infrastructure and componentry. Rail switch and turnout components are exposed to some challenging weather conditions like snow and temperature changes, track environment contamination, and ultraviolet radiation. Conventional oil-based lubricants can be washed off from the slide chairs during prolonged rain, heavy showers, and flooding. At the same time, they attract sand, leaf fall, brake dust, and other debris typical of railway environments. The slide chairs then act like magnets to dirt. This debris in turn causes friction and wear and shortens lubricant life while masking any underlying defects that are not visible when undergoing manual track inspections.
Contamination was a big problem because freight trains would also drop a lot of its ballast, sand, etc. And that of course caused big problems for switches and other components because the sand would get trapped within the lubricant and cause a big problem.
Therefore, frequent manual lubrication is needed to prevent asset failure. New PLPR technology trains require a cleaner track to aid better inspection and improve their accuracy of true failure mode reporting. That's why there was a drive for new cleaner technology and innovation in rail maintenance.
I first came across Interflon when I worked as S&C engineer in Derby. The product is transparent and it's also dry. On the numerous applications, this is beneficial where we can inspect for any defects within the rail. Through the technology of the product, we can now extend application from 1 week to 4 weeks, and in some applications we can extend it to 13 weeks.
Interflon has been developing its unique lubrication technology called MICPOL, a dry, transparent coating technology to reduce contamination. Applied through a metered backpack that greatly improves the efficiency of the product and contributes to better worker safety. Due to the right advice and use of Interflon products, the time required for maintenance at Network Rail is greatly reduced, whilst the asset performance has been significantly improved. The results are impressive. With Interflon, a marked improvement on switch throw and detection time reduced OPEX costs to maintain the assets, spending less time on track. MICPOL reduces friction and energy when throwing a switch by as much as 50%. This is how the Interflon Rail Division supports the maintenance of a huge track as efficiently as possible, so that millions of people can be transported now and in the future. Great that Interflon contributes to these efficiencies. Interflon. Think forward.